Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here, and today I'm going to talk about how to create your automation in SendinBlue. So before we go further in SendinBlue options, I would like to tell you what is SendinBlue. So what is the purpose to use SendinBlue use for? So SendinBlue is the only all-in-one digital marketing platform empowering B2B and B2C businesses, e-commerce sellers, and agencies to build customer relationships through end-to-end digital marketing campaigns, transactional messaging, and marketing automation. So we are going to set automation for the tutorial based purpose. Like I'm going to set it. Before we go further, like on the automation part, I'm going to sign up from here, and I'm going to let you know how to sign up for SendinBlue because it could be complicated for some people, obviously. And I'm going to create a free account. So let's get started without wasting any more of our time. So right now, as you can see, while signing up, you will have to enter your phone number, which is requirement from SendinBlue, and your name, obviously, and then you can go next, to address and businesses. So I'm just going to fill it up. So this is the dashboard which you are looking right now. Obviously, this is my new account and free account. So keep in that mind. So email section. This is the email section, and if you click on it, it will tell you create a new email campaign. But right now, I'm going with the templates, and these are statistics. Obviously, like you know what is statistics. Sorry, statistics, and you will go for the new template over here on the top right corner. Just click on it, and this will take you right over here. Just set up your template name. Like I'm just going to set up shoes for sale just for this like tutorial base. So yeah, and this is the subject line. This is also for personal reason, personal preference, because uh, this will show like how many campaigns templates you have created for your own. So this is what it will be. Otherwise, you can write anything over here for if you can remember this template. So I'm just going to write ABCD just for this tutorial base, and you can also add some preview text what is going on in this template. So you can also write it over here. This is your email, and this is your name over here. Just go ahead and top right corner, let's just say next step. So over here you will find multiple templates over here, multiple layout, template gallery, and obviously you can paste a code over here. So I'm not going to do that, all of that. So I'm just going to do edit on layouts. Like over here, as you can see, I'm just going to click on it, and it will take me right over here. Just remember that this is all free, and being free like this, it's a lot they are giving us to us. So we can edit every single thing over here, like we can do anything. Just remember, we can change this one. So yeah, because obviously this is a free account, so we cannot change their, at least they are only advertising on the footer. So this is good. So otherwise you can change everything. You can add multiple footers, headers, whatever you want to do, you can do that. You can design the the page, and you can add contents over here. Everything you can do over here. So that's it. I'm just going to write random things over here, like for this tutorial base. And remember this this mobile version, just remember to check this out. You can also change it from here. So obviously if I change from here, this won't change shoes for sale on the web version. So just remember that. Let's move on. Click on continue, and we will end up over here. This will look like our template email marketing will look like this. So obviously there has to be something triggering to triggering what, like we have to set automation to send this email to that person who are going to subscribe to us. So we are just going to save and activate it. Template saved and activated successfully. So what we need to do now, we need to go at automations, right? So this is what we have to do. So we will go at automation, create your first workflow, yes, and we will end up over here. So they are they are just giving you some suggestions, like you can send an email after a contact abundance card. So this is all like pre-created workflow or automation. If you want to check that out, you can also check it if you want. There's no like limitation that you can use it and then you cannot come back on the same page. So yeah, but right now for this tutorial base, I'm going to create a custom workflow like to show you how you can create your automation. Name your automation shoes and set description if you want. Allows your contacts to enter the workflow more than once. So I don't want that. If anyone have connected to this account, they can access to my workflow, but I don't want that. And I'm just going to start automating. And here we are, the thing we have been waiting for. So we need to like we have created our email, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to add email marketing over here, right? So click on here, and if I go a contact submits a form, if someone going to submit a form, just click on it. We didn't detect any form of like they didn't detect any form. So what we need to do, I'm just going to create a new form real quick, and I'll be come back. So we are back at workflow, and I'm going to select my form. You can see we have our form, new form for tutorial shoots. So this is what I've created, and okay, so this is the form. So now suppose I am the I'm the contact, and I'm going to submit this form. When it will submit, what happens that my email, um which is that, send an email, and after that, which email, this one, shoes for sale. So if someone is going to submit like their form, and I want to set an automation accordingly, like uh, send an email after that, so I can set that. Okay, here we go. This is very simple. This is a very simple concept. Like you need to make steps, you need to connect things. If you want something more over here, you can just add things over here, like send notification first and then email. Like you can do anything, add a delay, like how much time you want. Like if he submit, or if he or she submit a form, you can send after like 1 hour if you want. So that's it. This is all very simple. And if you want to continue this, like this email, you can also do that. How? Like wait until the next day. Like you can add that over here, and then set that email automation again. So it will show that guy. Like I'm just going to show you. You know what? Wait till. Um, oh, sorry. Add delay for 1 day. Okay. There's a delay 1 more day, and send an email again. That's it. This is all you need to know about this this workflow, this automation. This is very easy. But before automation, what you needed to do is to create forms and your email marketing setup. Like what are you going to send, and how someone going to like subscribe to your page or your form. So this is all you needed to know about that, and then you can set automated and automation, and you just need to click on this add button. This is very easy to understand. Like send an email, okay, you can do that, and after email you can send an SMS. Just click on it and edit that SMS. There's a lot of like a lot of things you can do that over here, and that's it. And just go ahead and activate the workflow. So once it's active, that's it. This has been shown like a status active, and it's green. This is how you are going to create your automation in SendinBlue. So this is very easy way to do that. So as you can see over here, this is the plan for SendinBlue. Obviously, we were using this, and only one user can access to the individual account. Otherwise, you can add your partners, and if you want to do that, like so CRM, transitional emails, email campaigns, unlimited contact. So this is very good for like for the free plan. I guess this is very nice. And you have light version. You can have premium, which is very popular, and enterprise. So there's a lot of options over here. You can see that over here, and that's it. This is all you need to know about automation in SendinBlue. I hope you understand. what I've tried to say, let me tell you again. Create forms so people do know how to how to subscribe to you, you know. So then that form will be given to our customers. They will be going to subscribe, and then the automation will generate. It will trigger. And how automation will be created, I showed you at the end, like how you can connect those forms to individual automation. Obviously you can create multiple automation out there. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand what I tried to say, and thank you. Bye bye.